you're in for a treat. I've developed an amazing strategy that achieved an outstanding 799% profit, and the best part, it's surprisingly simple, using only two straightforward indicators with easy to follow rules. If you want to see it all, stay with me until the end of the video. First, go to the TradingView.com and select the chart of your choice, Forex, crypto or stocks. It doesn't matter which one. Then choose a time frame. For the example, I'll be using 15-minute time frame on the Bitcoin chart. Our strategy signal generator is an incredible indicator called Pivot Point Super Trend. To get started, head to the indicator section on TradingView.com, search for Pivot Point Super Trend and add it to your chart. This powerful indicator combines the classical super trend indicator with pivot points, offering enhanced precision in identifying potential trend changes. To make the most out of the pivot point super trend indicator and keep your chart neat, we'll need to adjust a few settings. Don't worry, these tweaks are simple and will help you optimize the indicator's performance. But before we trade using this strategy, we need a confirmation indicator to complete the strategy. But before we move on to using a confirmation indicator, I want to share some exciting news with you. At TradeGenius, we've been tirelessly developing over 300 profitable trading strategies catering to a wide range of trading styles. To dive into our treasure trove of strategies, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and explore the content we've carefully created to suit your trading needs. And if this video has been helpful in your trading journey, we'd be thrilled if you could show your support by giving us a like. Your encouragement means the world to us and keeps us fired up to create more amazing content for traders just like you. Now, let's get back to the strategy at hand and look into the confirmation indicator that will complement our pivot point super trend signal generator. To further strengthen our strategy, we'll be using an incredible confirmation indicator called MACD plus SMA 200 strategy. Finding and adding it to chart is a breeze. Just search for it in the indicator section and you'll be good to go. Keep in mind that if you have any question or need help with the strategy, feel free to drop a comment below the video. I'll always be here to support you and will get back to you as soon as possible, ensuring you have all the information you need to succeed in your trading journey. Great, you've successfully added the MACD plus SMA 200 strategy indicator. Let's proceed to the next step, adjusting the settings of this powerful indicator to suit our strategy. Now that you're familiar with adding and optimizing indicators, let's explore how to make profitable trades using our strategy and its straightforward rules. When it comes to buy trades, always ensure you're trading in the direction of the uptrend. Verify that the price candles are above all moving average lines, confirming a strong uptrend and filtering out any potential sell signals. Once you've established an uptrend, keep an eye out for a buy signal. If you spot one and all the necessary conditions are met, it's time to enter the buy trade with confidence. Next, protect your trade by setting a stop loss. You can do this by placing it below a recent swing low or one of the moving average lines, providing a safety net for your investment. To maximize profits and maintain a healthy balance of risk and reward, use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 when setting your trade target. This approach helps ensure your potential gains outweigh the risk involved. And to execute sell trades using the strategy, follow these simple steps and effective rules. Confirm the downtrend. Before entering any sell trade, ensure you're trading in the direction of the downtrend. Verify that the price candles are below all moving average lines, confirming a strong downtrend and filtering out any potential buy signals. Then, once you establish a downtrend, be on the lookout for a sell signal. If you spot one and all necessary conditions are met, it's time to enter the sell trade with confidence. After that, protect your trade by setting a stop loss. You can do this by placing it above recent swing high or one of the moving average lines, providing a safety net for your investment. Then, to maximize profits and maintain a healthy balance of risk to reward, use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, now you know the trading rules. But put this strategy through its paces by backtesting it on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame and a reliable risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The results prepare to be amazed. Out of 300 trades, we saw an outstanding 69% win rate and a whopping total profit of 799%. Throughout the 25-week testing period, our strategy demonstrated its potential with an incredible streak of 9 consecutive wins while keeping consecutive losses to only 6. But there's more. The profit factor, a measure of profit versus loss, came in at an impressive 3.45, while the max drawdown remains low at just 5.85. These findings highlight the strategy's potential effectiveness in real-world trading scenarios. With such remarkable results, we're excited for you to explore this strategy further and experience its benefits in your own trading endeavors. Get ready to take your trading game to new heights with this powerful approach.